Carving isn't the only way to celebrate Halloween. Craft pumpkins open up a whole new world of creativity. No mess, no decay, and endless possibilities. From eerie elegance to playful spookiness, these pumpkins can be anything you imagine. Today, we're exploring the best craft pumpkin ideas to inspire your next haunting masterpiece. So grab your paints, glue, and glitter. It's time to get crafty with the season's most iconic symbol. We'll break the process into 3 simple steps: designing your pumpkin style, creating the details that make it stand out, and finishing with that perfect Halloween touch. Whether you love cute, creepy, or classy, these ideas work for every theme and every space. Every great project starts with a concept. Think of the pumpkin as your blank canvas. You can go for a spooky, haunted look, a glamorous metallic style, or even something inspired by autumn nature. The goal is to let your personality show through your design. If you're using craft pumpkins, experiment with different finishes: matte, glossy, textured, or glittered. You can also mix patterns like stripes, ombre blends, or polka dots for a unique twist. What's your favorite pumpkin style? Scary, cute, or elegant? Drop your answer in the comments and let's see which vibe wins this Halloween. Now comes the fun part, the details. This is where your pumpkin goes from plain to powerful. Use whatever materials inspire you: fabric, paper, twine, paint, or even natural elements like leaves or dried flowers. If these Halloween craft pumpkin ideas got you in the spooky spirit, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love a good DIY project. Think about the theme you want to express. For spooky elegance, add dark tones and metallic touches. For something playful, go bright, bold, and fun. Each small element tells a part of your Halloween story. The finishing details bring everything together. A bit of shine here, a shadow there. It's the moment your pumpkin truly comes alive. Arrange your pumpkins together for maximum impact. Mix different sizes, shapes, and heights to create a story-like display, from porch steps to dining tables, or even as part of a centerpiece. For more creative Halloween DIYs, home decor inspiration, and festive crafting fun, make sure to subscribe and join us for the next video. And there you have it, your collection of hauntingly creative craft pumpkins. With a little imagination, these designs can turn any corner of your home into a scene of spooky sophistication or playful charm. No carving, no cleanup, just pure creative fun. This Halloween, let your ideas shine and your pumpkins tell your story. Whether it's eerie, elegant, or enchanting, your pumpkin creations are what make the season magical. Keep crafting, keep creating, and have a hauntingly beautiful Halloween.